Alright, welcome everyone to GrowerCoach.com. My name is Ken Salvail, and today we're looking at some plants, our plant review program. And today's review is on Geranium Rozanne. And if you want to just have a quick look here, this is Geranium Rozanne we have in a large pot here, and you can see how beautiful they are. They're really quite an incredible blooming plant. One of the best, I would say. So the pros and cons of this plant really are that it needs to be grown in sort of ideally a fairly bright location. In the shade, it will grow in the shade quite well, but it tends to sprawl a bit and kind of crawl around. And so it might need to be sort of kept in check or trimmed a little bit extra in shady areas. In the sun, it just gets to be a beautiful, massive plant. They actually get about 4 or 5 feet across. And they bloom literally all season. They bloom from like beginning of June right through until the fall. And so really good plant. The suggestion is always the beginning of July is that you go in and you cut the thing back to about this size, which is about, I'd say, maybe 16 inches in diameter. You just cut everything off around the perimeters, leave the center part as is, and then the plant will just come back and it'll bloom all the way right till frost. So it is a good plant. They're zone 4, I believe, so that means they can survive temperatures down close to the minus 20 degrees Celsius range. But very pretty plant, and I think it's a good one. I think you just have to find the right spot. Deer resistance is okay. It's not great on this one. Many of the geraniums, if you want to know the geraniums that are actually deer resistant, you got this smell of the foliage. It's the ones with that citrusy foliage that the deer really don't like much. So it's quite a key feature when you're looking for deer resistance. So some of the geraniums are deer resistant. This one, not so much, but really good plant though. So that's my plant review for this week, and thanks again for tuning in to GrowerCoach.com.